Now welcome guys, by the way. So once again, if you are new and you've not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, like and also share. We are going to be looking at our Euro USD. I've done analysis on our monthly time frame for weekly analysis on our Euro USD. You can check the channel to watch it. Now we would want to do analysis of what our where our price would be moving tomorrow on our Euro USD. First of all, we are going to start from our weekly time frame and we are going to look at our index, by the way. So weekly time frame on our Euro USD, we all can see that it is actually a bearish move. That is, you see the price is actually dropping. So on the looking at it on the weekly time frame standpoint, we would want to be doing one thing, which is to short this our Euro USD. We would want to short it. Secondly, this our price is below our 10 period moving average. This average you are seeing here, moving average is 10, so it is below it. So that is an indication we should actually short it. And notice something here, we've already finished our pullback here. Let me highlight it better for you guys to understand it. There was a drop. Let's start it from here. There was a drop here, right? This was the lows here. This was a pullback level. Our pullback level is over, right? On a downward trend, we would be having another drop, right, to break our previous lower lows. That is it. This was our previous lower lows, and now our price is currently on our previous lower lows. We are expecting it to break below it, and I can assure you that this week we will be having the break below, but we would want to see where our price will be moving for tomorrow. So in order to get see where our price will be moving for tomorrow, we need to go on to our daily time frame. So let's see it from our daily time frame. Price is actually bearish, by the way. You can see that on our daily time frame here, we actually had a pullback here. There was a drop here, a pullback. We had a pullback here, we add another drop here, right? And once our price go to this our previous lower lows, then that is when we add this correction. What are we expecting again? Another drop again on our Euro USD. Now I want to see something on this our index, by the way. And now if you have to look at it on this our weekly time frame, we will consider that this is an uptrend move. We saw this ice break above this previous ice, then the next ice we add break above this previous ice here, another ice break above this previous ice, then we add another ice which broke above this ice here, we add another ice on our weekly time frame which broke above this previous ice, right? So we are currently on a new ice. What are we expecting it to actually break above this previous ice here? So this ice we are seeing here, we want it to actually break above this previous ice here. One, that is it, right, on the technical aspect. Now see it on the fundamental aspect. Interest rate has been increased in the US, right? They said that no stopping on an increase of interest rate. We all can know the fundamental aspect of it. Once there's an increase in an interest rate, once they won't be cutting any interest rate, it means our US dollar itself we keep getting stronger, because a lot of cash will keep flowing, and the economy aspect of it, the dollar itself will keep getting stronger, which means our USD itself will be bullish, while any pairs we are trading in it to will be bearish. That is why our Euro USD for this week will actually be bearish. So on this our daily time frame, on our weekly time on this our USD weekly time frame, we are expecting a bullish move. Now see it on our daily time frame. Our price is now above this ice here. What do you see here? Let's see it from here. There was an impulse move here. A correction was made here. Another impulse was made. We had a correction here. There was an impulse move. You all can see all these impulse move were breaking the previous impulse move upward. Then there was a correction. Now there's another impulse move. What are you on the correction? So after this correction, we are expecting another push up again to break above this ice on our USD. So I bet it with you, this ice here, which is about 1.21852, we are going to break above it. Currently we are on a pullback level, so we are waiting for our price to actually break above it, so which means our USD itself will be going up, while our euro we are just looking at will actually go bearish. Now to actually enter this trade, we would want to sit on our 4-hour time frame. Now take a look at it on our 4-hour time frame. This is how you are going to enter this trade. Now sit on our 4-hour time frame. If you have to look at it here, this was actually a pullback level on our daily time frame. If you see it, I've drawn this line now, see it on our daily time frame. This was actually a pullback level. Right now on our 4-hour time frame, you all can see we are actually ranging within this area here. So we would highlight here as our resistance level, and we would take these lows as our support level. So to enter this trade, what we want to see is if our price will still be ranging, then we will see our price drop to this 4-hour time frame. Then we will see a rally move. Then we can now consider taking a buy on our euro USD. By the way, we are still seeing this movement as a ranging move on our euro USD. So euro USD, we would want to still range with it, except our price breaks below this low, yeah, this low that I've just highlighted there that you can see, which is about, I'll call it 0.99000 or 0.99003. Let us say 0.99003. Once price our euro USD breaks below our 0.99003, then we are now on a bearish move on our euro USD. But for tomorrow is exactly what we want to see tomorrow. Tomorrow we are very much likely to still range, so it's not sure, except the price breaks below this lows which you just called, which is about 0.99003. But if price does not break below it, then we will still range, we will still see a drop, a little bit of a drop, and a bullish move on our euro USD. So watch out for it. Euro USD we very much likely to range. Now let's see what our index is saying on our 4-hour time frame. By the way, so this for our USD index, we can see these lows. We're very much likely to see a push up around this here, or this level here. There are two levels where our USD index will drop to before we see that rally movement upward. This is a key level where it dropped, it came here again, it tap drop. We saw it reacted to this level here again, and once the price broke above it, it came to test this level. So this is a good key level where our euro can drop to and then push up. And also don't forget that this can also be a level where our euro can push up from. So there are two places our USD index will push up. Either it pushes up from here or it pushes us from here. So it depends on how it goes. If we start having this push up from around this area here, especially when the price breaks above this ice here that we just talked about, this ice and our USD index, then short your euro. If not, there is possibility we might still see a drop again on our USD index that will come to this level. Then we'll see a rally movement. It just depends on how the price will play out tomorrow. So we can't be 100% predict this euro USD, but there are some signals or structures we are waiting for it to happen before we actually follow it. So two ways: once this price drop to this our support level, we'll be aiming to go long to this our resistance level. But if the price breaks below this our lows, which is about 0.99003, then we can now short our euro USD. So that is exactly what will possibly happen tomorrow. So watch out for our euro USD. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.